Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use eTrade for stock trading, complete guide step by step clearly.
Create an eTrade account by visiting the official website.
Click on the Open an Account button prominently displayed. Choose the type of account that fits your investment goals, such as an individual brokerage account or an IRA. Fill out the required personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Provide your financial background, including your employment status and annual income. Set up your login credentials, including a username and password. Read the account agreement and privacy policy carefully before agreeing to the terms. Submit your application and wait for approval, which usually takes a few minutes to a couple of days. Once your account is approved, log in using your new credentials. Fund your account by linking it to an external bank account or depositing funds via check. Research stocks by using the platform's market research tools and stock screeners. Navigate to the Trade tab to initiate a trade. Select whether you want to buy or sell shares and enter the stock symbol. Decide on the number of shares you wish to trade. Choose your order type, such as market order or limit order, depending on your strategy. Review your order for accuracy, including stock details and total cost. Click Place Order to execute the trade. Monitor your investments through the portfolio view to track performance. Set alerts for stocks you're interested in to stay informed about price changes. Utilize educational resources offered by eTrade to enhance your trading knowledge. Stay updated on market news and analysis to make informed trading decisions. Regularly review your trading strategy to ensure it aligns with your financial goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.